Welcome back to Fruits and Vegetables channel, where we dive deep into the world of nutrition and uncover the hidden treasures of healthy eating. In today's video, we're putting the spotlight on broccoli, a superfood that has been capturing the attention of health enthusiasts worldwide. Get ready to discover the incredible health benefits of this vibrant cruciferous vegetable. Let's jump right in. The content is not intended to be used as a substitute for professional medical diagnosis, advice, or treatment. Please always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified health provider with all questions that you have related to or about a medical condition. Broccoli, a vegetable that often gets a bad rap from picky eaters. But trust me, once you learn about the amazing benefits it offers, you'll be eager to add it to your plate. So, let's explore the science-backed benefits of broccoli that make it a true nutritional powerhouse. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Broccoli is bursting with a rich array of essential nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamins C, K, and A, along with folate, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients play vital roles in supporting overall health, from boosting the immune system to promoting healthy bones. 2. Immune system support. The high vitamin C content in broccoli acts as a potent antioxidant that helps strengthen the immune system. It plays a vital role in the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for defending the body against infections and diseases. 3. Cancer-fighting properties. One of the most exciting aspects of broccoli is its potential in fighting cancer. It contains compounds called glucosinolates, which are converted into active compounds like sulforaphane. These compounds have shown promising anti-cancer properties, inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and promoting their destruction. 4. Heart health champion. Broccoli's nutritional profile makes it a true ally for heart health. Its high fiber content helps reduce cholesterol levels, while the presence of antioxidants helps protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to heart disease. 5. Digestive health boost. Fiber is an unsung hero when it comes to digestive health, and broccoli is packed with it. The fiber content in broccoli supports a healthy digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. 6. Bone-building benefits. Broccoli is a fantastic source of vitamin K, a nutrient essential for bone health. Vitamin K helps regulate calcium absorption and contributes to optimal bone density, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. 7. Eye health enhancer. Don't forget about your eyes. Broccoli contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Including broccoli in your diet can support long-term eye health. 8. Weight management aid. If you're looking to maintain a healthy weight or shed a few pounds, broccoli is a fantastic addition to your diet. It's low in calories but high in fiber, which promotes satiety, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Plus, its nutrient density ensures you get vital nutrients without excessive calorie intake. 9. Brain-boosting effects. Broccoli contains compounds that are believed to have neuroprotective properties, supporting brain health and cognitive function. Research suggests that the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in broccoli may help reduce the risk of cognitive decline and improve memory. 10. Skin savior. Want glowing skin? Broccoli can be your secret weapon. Its antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, help fight skin damage caused by environmental factors and promote a youthful complexion. Incorporating broccoli into your diet can contribute to healthy, radiant skin. Let's summarize the incredible benefits we've explored today. 1. Broccoli is a nutrient powerhouse. 2. It supports a robust immune system. 3. The vegetable shows promise in fighting cancer. 4. Broccoli promotes heart health. 5. It aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system. 6. The vitamin K in broccoli strengthens bones. 7. It enhances eye health. 8. Broccoli supports weight management. 9. It has brain-boosting effects. 10. The vegetable contributes to healthy skin. That wraps up our exploration of the incredible health benefits of broccoli. From boosting the immune system to fighting cancer and supporting heart health, this versatile vegetable is a true gem in the world of nutrition. Don't underestimate the power of broccoli. It's time to embrace its potential and make it a regular guest on your plate. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of healthy eating. Remember, your health is your wealth. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.